With the recorder turned on, we come to the bottom left. Click on Setup. Go to Device or Storage depending on what is written. Here we can see our 2 hard drives, which will first format before then creating the disk group. These are 2 1 terabyte hard drives. So we select our hard drives. Come down, click on Format Hard Drive. Depending on what you want to do, click on OK. Put in your admin password, and once you're done, click on Authenticate and you go ahead and format your hard drive. Now for creating the disk groups, you come to Disk Group as shown. Here we have 2 hard drives. And for each hard drive you can't put more than 16 channels on it. That is just what the warning below is showing us. Once you come to Disk Group, you can see that we have 32 channels. We currently have just 2 hard drives and each of them has 16 channels each. So if you come back here, come to Edit, you can see that the first hard drive is on Disk Group 1. And we have all the way to this group 16. So this is how you can change the disk groups for each hard drive. You can change them here. Checking the second hard drive you can see is on Disk Group 2. So if you had other hard drives and wanted to change the disk groups they are on, this is how you can change it. And we'll go back here to change the cameras that are visible on each disk group. This is where we do it. Let's say for this group 1, we want to add just channel 1 to 8. We remove every other one. And let's say for this group 2 we want something else as well. For this group 1, we just want channel 1 to 8. Once you select channel 1 to 8, don't forget to click Apply on the bottom right corner. So now this group 1 will have just channel 1 to 8. No longer channel 1 to 16. Whenever you do something, click on Apply to save the changes. And this is how we create this group in our DVR recorders.